The Abilene Dream Center is a 9-month discipleship program. We help men of God get their lives back together, whether they came from a lifestyle of drug addiction, alcoholism, depression, anxiety. Regardless, whatever it is, we're here to help them. We open up our doors, and over the course of the 9 months, we feed them nearly 900 meals over the 9 months. We give them clothes, shelter, medical, anything that may pop up, we're there. And it can get rather expensive. Nearly $6,000 that it costs for each and every one of these students to come through this program. And so what we're doing is asking the community to partner with us. We want to cut that in half. Maybe the Dream Center take on 3,000 and we want to fundraise for the other 3,000. And if you know someone, or if God has put in your heart that you could provide some help, even if it's not a full 3,000, even if it's just something small, a portion, it would be more than a blessing, so we can keep these doors open, these lives changing as they give their life to Christ. Thank you.